little boy, lost and blue. Listen now, let me tell you what to do. You can run on, run along, alone, or home between the knees of her, all among her bracken and her ferns, and the boy will have